The Supermarine Attacker was the first jet fighter to enter service with Britain's Fleet Air Arm. Its origins date to a requirement issued by the Royal Air Force for a jet fighter equipped with a laminar flow wing. Supermarine had developed such a wing for their proposed Spiteful fighter replacement for the Spitfire. By mating this wing to a new streamlined fuselage, the jet Spiteful was created. As it was also intended for use at sea, later prototypes were adapted for naval life. Although neither the jet Spiteful nor its rival, the Gloucester E-144, were selected, Supermarine proposed developing the aircraft further specifically for the Fleet Air Arm. Redesigned elements included a fillet added to the fin and folding wingtips. Poor endurance was addressed by the addition of an optional underbelly fuel tank, although the prospect of landing on this in the event of an undercarriage failure must have been a bit daunting. The prototype of the aircraft, now renamed the Attacker, flew in 1946, and it entered service with No. 800 Naval Air Squadron in August 1951, embarking on HMS Eagle later that year. Unusually for a jet, the Attacker had a tailwheel undercarriage, although pilots did like the very good view over the nose, especially on approach. It was armed with 4 20mm cannon. Later, the FB-1 and FB-2 marks included provision for wing-mounted bombs or rockets. The rapid pace of jet development in the 50s meant that the Attacker was replaced in frontline service in 1954 by aircraft such as the Hawker Seahawk and the de Havilland Sea Venom. The last British Attackers were withdrawn from reserve units in 1957, although they did go on for a few more years in Pakistan Air Force service. Today, only a single Attacker survives. This is on display at the Fleet Air Arm Museum at Yeovilton in southwest England. The Attacker is not exactly overrepresented in the model-making world. The largest kit is this 1/32 scale set from Iconair. This was made from 2018, and it's a resin kit with white metal and photo-etched extras, so really one for the more experienced model maker. In regular polystyrene in 1/48, there were kits in the early 2000s from Falcon and from Magna Models. Then in 2005, Classic Airframes released their tooling. These were followed in 2012 by the Trumpeter Attacker F1, with the FB2 released in 2014. These are by far the easiest kits to find at this scale, and they're really not that bad. Moving to 1/72 scale, and the Frog kit of 1956 has been reissued many times and has been made by the usual collection of Eastern European manufacturers, including Novo from 1977, the Donetsk Toy Factory in 1981, Chematic in the 1990s, Eastern Express from 2004, and Arc Models from 2010. By modern standards, these kits are really quite poor. In 2011, AZ made a new toolkit of the Attacker F1, following it with the FB2, including markings for Pakistan Air Force colours, and the prototype with the filletless tail. The FB2 kit was re-released in 2015. These kits have some moulding issues and comical stencils, but are generally okay. Finally, Mini Wing has the Attacker as a resin kit in 1/144 scale, both the F1 and the later FB2 complete with rockets. That nose art will be quite tricky to get right at that scale.